You can definitely buy a house directly from the owner. You don't necessarily have to even connect with a realtor. You can just buy it directly from the owner, but just be prepared and, be prepared to do a lot of research. I would still say deal with a title company and still get the house looked up just to make sure that you buying a house that's going to be free and clear of any types of loans or encumbrances. Like, you guys have to check that out, okay? Just keep that in mind. And you guys can do something called a land contract, or you guys can do a what is that? I forgot what's that is called, where you guys can actually make payments, where I forgot, oh, like a rent to own. I'm sorry. Oh, answering a lot of questions. You guys can do a rent to own too, where you guys can just and pay that house off like that, or you can pay it off, and then in probably a year or two, you can go ahead and refinance and actually just buy that house outright. But you can definitely buy it directly from the owner. Just be prepared to do a lot of research.